just had an interesting dilemma. My GoPro battery, that's supposed to be glued on there, and pull the battery out, and the whole end of the case came out. Very strange. Very strange indeed. So let me see if I can pry that baby out of there. Let me see here. Oh, geez. I hope that didn't just fry my GoPro. Smoked. Yeah, wonderful. Maybe if I get a little pair of pliers, there's something I can grab now. I hope that did not fry the camera. Let's see here. Can I reach in there like this? That moved, I think, a little bit. Nope, I don't think that's going to work. Let's try just peeling this all the way off now. It's warm. Saw that smoke come out of there? That's lithium ion. That's probably pretty nasty stuff. Pulling pretty hard. All right, so let's try this. Let's get the SD card out. I can reach between the SD card slot and this thing. Nope, that's not grabbing. Good, man. It's not good. Oh, wait a minute. I think that might be the way. Maybe not. Looks like it's coming out a little bit. I think it must have overheated. I noticed the GoPro batteries tend to swell up a little bit when they oh yeah, it's moving. It's moving. It's just a matter of prying it out. Okay, good. Yeah, I can see it move now. That side over there tends to not want to come out. Get a little screwdriver. might do it. Ah. Wow. So that was interesting. Still filming? Yeah. So, I guess it looks okay up in there. Hope pulling that SD card didn't lose footage. That's pretty up. Again, excuse my language, but that is the cover of the battery and it just broke off. So I got an X on them, not because they're bad, just because they're the older ones, and I wanted to know the difference between my old battery and my new ones. And if you look at them, you can see they swell up a little bit when they're charging. I don't know about that. That's scary. So one of the new batteries. Golly, I hope this doesn't destroy anything. Okay, that fits in there perfectly fine. Put the disc, the memory card back in. Okay, it's in. Before I put it back in the case, let's see. All right, wish me luck, guys. Uh-oh, push the button, nothing happened. Ho, ho, ho. Let me see if I lost all the footage that I had earlier. You know, I did try something new. I filmed in 4K. All right, everything is still there. Good. Let me go back to the... There we go. I think I'm okay. No, that's not what I wanted. I hate that button. I wish it didn't do that. So, wonderful. Little GoPro 8 burned up a battery. So these batteries are starting to swell. They're getting fat in the middle. And this one here is gone. It started to blow like the other one did. So I guess the GoPro batteries only last so long. And if you see how nice and flat that one is, you maybe could see that one will rock around, this one won't move. Getting fat in the middle. Anyway, so I've got 3 batteries there that I'm going to throw away. I have to order a few more batteries. I still have 5 or 6 good ones. Those 3 are headed to the trash. That one was going to do the same as that last battery that burned. You can see it's coming apart, but I was more careful and able to get it out without popping it all apart. These 2 will do the same, I think. They'll get stuck in the camera. I can squeeze these down. Squeeze them real hard and you can feel them. They're just coming apart. Probably from overheating. But anyway, so I guess the batteries are no good.